Okay guys, you can mount your camera on a tripod. You use portrait mode. Look at what I am doing. Showcase your phone and your pouch. After that, you can throw your phone down first, then you throw your pouch. Then after that, you pick up your phone. You can fix your phone again. After fixing it, then you are going to be throwing it down for the second time. No, I don't like this throw because you can see the phone turned upside down. Then you come down and showcase it again and throw it. At this point, this one is good. After that, you can now save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. At this point, you want to be clicking on CapCut, new project here, import this your video to workspace. Okay guys, someone asked we create or make this kind of video, all right? But before we get started, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You are welcome back to this tutorial. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on that volume sign there as we silence the volume. Then after that, you want to click on the video, then you want to expound it for a clearer view, expound it and position it the way you want your own to be. Then after expounding it and positioning it, we are going to go and look for adjust. As you can see that the background of the video is dark, look for adjust and click on adjust. Click on brightness, you can add 5. You click on contrast as well, you can add 5. Okay, and after that you click on saturation, you add 5. Just add 5 on each of them. All right, brightness you can add 10, clarity you can add 10. After adding it, you mark on this good now, then you go back. So let's locate this part where you throw your phone. Then as you throw the pouch, immediately the pouch touches your phone, you click on the video, you make a split, then you adjust the video. All right, just adjust the video. No, I don't like this first throw. You pick it before you showcase this your phone. You want to click here now and make another split. Delete this middle part. So delete it. You click on this second part of the video, the last part. You go and look for reverse. Locate reverse, guys. Go and look for reverse. Okay, locate reverse, guys. Look at reverse there. You click on reverse. Now you have applied completely. Let us play it now. As we make our necessary adjustments, just play it. Let's do our adjustments. All right, you can see we take time here. So at this point, before this phone start coming up, you click here now, then you are going to be making a split. Delete this middle part again. So now this is the result of the video. Good. So at this point, this video is ready. All right, but don't forget to add your sound effect, your light effect and every other effect, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery, then I share it to your social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things, I don't know how to add my sound, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after that your sound. Then you export your video to your gallery. Click on export now, then you allow the video to export completely. As you can see that the video is exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effect or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, you love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.